Hi, it's Juliet from WTI. I got these Airtag holders for my dogs because I'm super afraid of losing them, and I'm glad I did. For me, they have been very sturdy. We send our dogs away 2 days a week to daycare so they can play with other dogs. And as you can imagine, there's a lot of horseplay and biting that goes along with that, and they have held up really well after 2 months of having them. Now, my dogs really don't like getting wet, so wetness isn't a huge concern for me, but I did do a test. I dunked them in water, and when we opened them up, they were completely dry. So they are waterproof. They are hard to open almost, and I appreciate that because I don't want to be worried that they're just going to pop open when my dogs are playing. So I honestly don't think that they could accidentally pop open. My husband has an easy time opening them. For me, it's a little bit more difficult. They've got a little notch here at the bottom, and that's how you can pop them open. So if you're looking for a great Airtag holder, get these, and that's my point of view.